chick.
Surprised they're not yelling at you.
Yeah. I'll be coming back.
There they go.
At the box, at the cavity the other night, first time, great horned owls will clack their bills when they're nervous. I've really never heard horned owls so much, but they were, yeah, they just.
We got so mad.
It's a big, fresh.
Oh, nice work.
Speaking of big and fresh.
Yeah, you would be laughing it was on you.
The first field trip, Scott ate it. Literally.
Did you get an extra shirt?
No, we didn't think about that.
Put your hand in there, and they go to, because they're not very strong yet. Yeah.
That's going to be fun. It would be if we didn't put them back, though.
Probably. They're not the...
Wow.
Last time we were here, there was one.
There were, when we came here on the 29th, there was one little day-old chick and 7 eggs.
Wow.
Oh, that one's little.
There you go.
That's a tiny one.
Scared the poop out of them.
While they're up there.
That's the bottom of that box has got about this much in prairie remains and pellets. You know, they regurgitate pellets of undigested bones and fur and stuff. It's just pretty nasty, but they seem to do fine. You know, they're...
That hurt.
How does that feel?
How many did you have?
The limb is not 100% locked on that, so be careful where you're stuck.
Watch that limb above you too, Scott.
Don't step on it.
Not attacking, we're trying to get away.
Any pellets down there, or are they all in the box?
I think it's
Supposed to pellets. There's also a dead chick over there.
he's just a little one.
Down there?
Yeah.
See what I mean when I was talking to you guys about size?
Okay.
Oh, my goodness.
See the difference in size yourself?
So weird. Put up that app.
Might have 3 These guys can fly at like 7.5 weeks. So a week is a lot of development for them.
He's like, me
So I'm looking at number 12. Is the first one.
He's so soft.
Oh, okay.
You like my opinion, don't you?
6'1", 2'1".
He kind of wants to get close to you. Because he feels
So
safe.
I'm going to go from 5. Oh.
You just why away?
Okay.
Probably tired.
Poison.
You're like curious.
I can see right here pretty good.
That's the chemical that
You guys see
not out here.
the feather development here?
Yeah.
See the wing feathers are coming out of the shaft right now? That's first, and then the little tail.
Here, I'm sorry, I was just going to put those back.
Not quite started yet. For them to too big for them to eat. They're not strong enough to carry it up themselves yet. They'll stand on, they'll play with it.
What's the flies among them?
I know, Trish, you witnessed them
Automatically smaller.
you watch on the webcam when they eat right? It's amazing what they can take down. They can fit down some incredibly large prey.
It's so cool that they try with it. Like, you know, kind of like the baby straight one. Now I'm like, that little body, and it's like that big.
You're pretty lame, wasn't it?
You still got it.
But look at this guy. Look how his leg is just a little bit tinier than me, but this hand
It went right in front of you.
is going to fit just fine on him. If the only reason we wouldn't put it on is if we saw when I closed it, it would slide over the foot, but it's not going to. I mean, that's gonna be fine. His leg's gonna get a little bigger, but.
He's a talkative one.
Usually by 6 days old.
I gotta go get batteries.
The one that's coming down over there?
Yeah, might be real close to it. Probably 10.
Look, the one's in his eye.
Oh.
Oh, that's not a good smile.
Look at his nails.
Such a strange one.
What's it feel like, Doug?
Right,
Is it heavy? He might not do a good job on killing
I wonder
it.
about some of those noises we hear. Could it be prey screaming because they like don't have an instant?
Could be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who knows?
I mean,
well,
do you go for scream?
no, but you know what does scream? Little rabbit.
Rabbit.
Oh, man.
Oh,
Rabbit. So then, you know.
His nails are really long.
Yep.
Wow.
Well, the hole is showing, but whether it'll show what it is or not, who knows?
Oh, he got my
That's
hand.
interesting.
These guys are thin,
You're over there.
too.
You just don't like being handled, but that's
Okay.
okay.
He is gorgeous. He really is.
Yeah, look at it stays in one place.